What foods convert white fat to brown fat? Excess white fat is often linked to weight gain, while brown fat helps the body burn energy and regulate temperature. Encouraging the body to transform white fat into brown-like fat can support better metabolism and overall health. Certain foods naturally stimulate this process, making them valuable additions to a balanced diet. Here are the top foods convert white fat to brown fat effectively. 1. Green tea, packed with catechins, especially EGCG. Green tea enhances thermogenesis and helps turn stored white fat into calorie-burning brown fat. 2. Chili peppers, capsaicin, the spicy compound in peppers, activates receptors that increase heat production, stimulating brown fat activity. 3. Coffee, caffeine promotes thermogenesis by boosting the sympathetic nervous system, encouraging fat browning and energy use. 4. Resveratrol foods, red grapes, blueberries, and peanuts contain resveratrol, a compound that supports mitochondrial function and beige fat formation. 5. Turmeric, curcumin, found in turmeric, reduces inflammation and triggers processes that help convert white fat into beige fat. 6. Omega-3 fatty acids, fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel provide omega-3s that regulate fat cells and encourage browning. 7. Dark chocolate, rich in flavonoids and theobromine, dark chocolate aids mitochondrial activity and supports energy-burning processes. Incorporating specific foods such as green tea, chili peppers, coffee, resveratrol-rich fruits, turmeric, omega-3 fish, and dark chocolate can naturally encourage the body to shift from storing fat to burning it. These foods not only aid weight management but also enhance metabolic health. Choosing the right foods convert white fat to brown fat may be a simple yet effective step toward improved vitality and balance. And always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.